Hello friends, welcome back to my channel JS Lab. In the last video we have seen how to write our first program in the Jupyter notebook, and also I explained all the details present in the Jupyter notebook environment. In this video we will see how to create variables and how to name the variables, what are the naming rules in Python. So first, about creating variables. What are variables? Variables are containers for storing data values. It may be numbers, it may be strings, letters, it may be complex numbers, it may be a dictionary, it may be list. So it's a container to store all these values. Unlike other program languages, Python has no command for declaring a variable, that we have already seen. Okay, we have in the last class we have assigned a value 4 to a variable x. Okay, there is no command. You just write x equal to 4, meaning is that the value 4 is assigned to a variable x. There is no command for declaring a variable. A variable is created the moment you first assign the value to it. Also, we will discuss about types of variables in the next video. So variables do not need to be declared with any particular type and can even change the type after they have been set. The meaning is that, see, now we have done only x equal to 4. Okay, we have not told the Python that it is an integer. Okay, it will automatically take that one. Okay, so you can, that I will explain in the next class. Okay, so you just write type of x. Okay, type of x and print x. So you can see int. It is automatically an integer classified as integer. Or example, for y is equal to, I'll write my name is John. Okay, then control enter. Okay, I want I created a cell below. Then you type of y. Okay, what is the type of y? See, it will be a string. So no need to declare the type also. Okay, it will automatically take. Now about variable names. A variable can have short names or some descriptive names. Whenever you name the variable, try to make the names understood by just looking at them, because when you consider a big program, many variables will be there. So we need to reuse the variable again. So it should be understood by just looking at them. So if some other person is also reading that one, okay, if you are giving a good name, then it will be helpful for them as well. Okay. So the rules are: variable name must start with a letter or underscore character. You can start your name by a letter. For example, my name equal to John. Okay, for example. Then another way is you can write, you want to write age. Okay, so you can start with AGE equal to 28. So you can start the name of a variable with a letter and also underscore. A variable name cannot start with a number. So if you start with a number, for example, 34 name is equal to something 87. If you write enter, so see, it says it's an invalid syntax. It is because it has started with a number. So do not name the variable with starting with a number. Then a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. Okay, means you can have then from A to Z, then A to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. Alphanumeric characters and underscore. If you can, there are capital letters from A to Z, small letters from A to Z, 0 to 9 numbers and underscore. And you cannot start the name with a number. Variable names are case sensitive. So you can I'll show you an example. Age equal to 28 and age equal to 34 are two variables. Okay, you can see that one. We will print age and age. So 28 and 34. See, age is one variable, but a capital letter age, starting age is another variable. So it is case sensitive. So these are the rules for naming the variable. So while naming the variables, you can follow either follow the camel case convention. It means you can start with a small letter. If you want to, I'm going to write student name as stu name. Okay, STU name, so equal to something, I don't know. So So here you can start the name with a small letter. Then the next word you start with a capital letter word. So they're like camel's hump. Then another way is you can start with a capital letter to then an underscore name equal to assigned a variable, or you can start with a small letter name. Anyway you can do. So these are the conventions. Then there are some built-in names, built-in keywords, built-in identifiers, okay, which you cannot use as a name for the variable. So those are considered as private, and you should try to avoid using that one. Okay, to get a list, you can do like this: import keyword. Okay, import function we will discuss later. Import keyword print keyword dot kw list, keyword list. Okay, if you print that one, these are the words false, none, true, and assert. These things you cannot name a variable. So first thing, you'll take false. Okay, if you are going to name false, whenever you write false, it will turn green in the Jupyter notebook. You cannot use this one. Okay, false is equal to 89. If you put and click enter, it will show error. You cannot assign to false. Okay, but you can use this one. You can use, okay, equal to 34. Okay, it is okay. Okay, false because it is case sensitive. Okay, this one you cannot use, but full capital false you can. So try to avoid using these things as your names. Okay, name of the variable. So in this video we have seen how to create a variable and what are the rules to be followed while naming a variable, how to assign multiple variables, what are the types of what are the data types, etc. We'll be discussing in the coming videos. If you have any doubt or suggestion, please comment in the comment section, and if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye.